We are beginning a new day and a new week. Let's light our candle and let's show the love of God around the world. There are many people who are sick, thousands who are sick, and thousands who need your prayer. God is a great God, and we need to give Him the praise. We thank Him for covering our healthcare workers, our truck drivers, the people who work in our grocery stores and our drug stores. We just pray for those people who are considered as essential. They're essential to us, but most of all of us are God's children. This is Holy Week. We are leading into Easter, and we give God all the glory, and we give Him all the praise. Thank you, oh God, for loving us. Thank you, oh God, for giving us your Son.
Good morning. This is where I'm starting this week. I am showing you my mask, and it is not one that had to be sewn. So stay tuned if you want to know what I did in order to create this, because it's something that you have probably right there in your kitchen. What better way to start the week than cleaning? And it seems like that since that we have been on house shutdown, that's all we do. We clean, we clean, we clean, we clean. We're wiping and cleaning. I think our homes have been cleaner over the past few weeks than they've been ever. But, it's a good thing. Now, let's talk about how we're going to put together this scarf. And as you can see, I have it tied, and I can tighten it in the back, and it's something I can put together before I go. I'm going to take it off for just a second. But I can put this on, I can put it together before I walk into any store that I may have to go in. And I say the word have to go in because, to be honest with you, in spite of social distancing, in spite of having the covers for your face, people are still getting sick. So, it's not about your hairstyle. It's not about necessarily looking wonderful and beautiful, because at this point, we just want to be safe. So I'm tying this in the back. And you're going to be so surprised when you find out what it is, because we had been trying to order masks and couldn't find a mask that would not ship until May. Well, by May, good Lord, that's another whole month plus. And it wasn't the 1st of May, it was late in May. So I have a 4-layer mask that when I come in, I can take it off, throw it in the washing machine in some hot water, and it just happens to be white, so I can even throw a little bleach in there and clean it up. And I have enough of these that I could almost go an entire week and have a different mask every day. Now that's for somebody who has to go out of the house. But if you're not that person who's one of those essential personnel people, then stay in the house unless you absolutely have to go. So I'm going to turn you down, and we're going to put this mask together. If you know something that you can share that will help people get through this pandemic, then certainly we should do that. And the other day, when I was setting my table, I used this tablecloth. And this is a 20 by 20 tablecloth that I have before you. And I thought, wow, we need
masks, because we tried everywhere to purchase masks. We tried to order masks, and in fact we did order masks, but they're not going to come until sometime in May or later. And so because of that, we need to be covered now. So I thought, well, we shouldn't have to sew unless we just want to. And I know that there are those who do, and they're able to do that, but that's not my thing. So what I've done is that I've turned this napkin into more of a diamond shape in front of me, and I'm looking at the center. So I'm going to take the bottom corner, as you can see, and I'm going to bring it up just past that center point. Then I'm going to get the other end, and I'm going to bring it down just past that center point. And then I'm going to try to make sure you can see this. And then, there we go, I'm going to give it a fold. Now that gives us, I want you to see what it does. It gives us layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and layer 4. 4 layers of protection. This is our napkin off the table. Fold it over, and then take it just like this and tie it onto your face.